Alpha Day, I'm Officer Paul Tapao, your Guam Crime Stoppers Coordinator, and this is your Crime of the Week. On Friday, the 7th of March, officers from the Tumon Tumuning Precinct Command entertained a robbery complaint which occurred on the roadway of Route 14 Talan San Antonio Tumuning by the Tumuning Elementary School. According to the police report, at about 9:45 p.m., a male jogger was running on the northbound sidewalk of Route 14 Talan San Antonio by the entrance of Tumuning Elementary School when he noticed three men by the parking lot entrance to the school. The male jogger immediately noticed one of the men was armed with a wooden baseball bat. As the male jogger approached the area where the men were at, he noticed that all three men had blocked his path, causing the male jogger to jump onto the outer lane of Route 14 to avoid them. Suddenly, the male jogger was struck on the head and immediately fell to the ground and began covering up his head with his arms to protect himself from the attack. As the male jogger was being attacked, he noticed that someone had pulled his waist pouch during the attack. The male jogger then looked up and saw the three men running towards the access way that leads towards the baseball field. The victim only described the armed suspect as possibly Micronesian in his early 20s, standing between 5'6" to 5'8" inches tall with a medium build. The victim also described the other two suspects as also being that of Micronesian descent and also in the early 20s. As a result of the attack, the victim was treated at the scene by GFD medics. The Guam Police Department and the Guam Crime Stoppers needs the island's help relative to this robbery complaint that occurred on our roadways and to one of our island runners. If anyone has any information regarding this crime or any other crime, please call the Guam Crime Stoppers hotline at 477-HELP. That's 477-4357. You can also send a text to 688-STOP. Or you can visit our website at guam.crimestoppersweb.com. You can also call the Guam Police Department at 475-8615-7. Guam Crime Stoppers does not use caller ID, and you do not have to leave your name. You can receive a cash reward for the information leading to the arrest and conviction of the person or persons responsible for this crime. Your call does make a difference.